Good day. Can you give me the number of squares that you can form in just a few seconds? That will be our lesson today. Figure composed of 5 by 5 squares. For demonstration purposes, I will be using the English alphabet to label all the squares. Now we can start counting the squares that we can form. We will start from 1. Initially, we will be counting them individually. That means there is no combination. For you to understand better our lesson, I provided you a tally sheet wherein you can identify the combinations and the number of squares that can be formed. There you have it. The total number of squares is equal to 55. Paano natin nakuha ang 55? Makinig mabuti. We will start counting individually. We will call it 1 by 1. There are 5 rows and 5 columns. Therefore, it is 25. The next group to count is 2 by 2. There will be 16 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now let's go to the next group to count. 3 by 3. Let's count the number of 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next to count is the 4 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The figure has 4 by 4. The last group is 5 by 5 and it has only one member. And the total number of squares is 55. To give you the summary of the equation, here is the key. Here's another example in finding the number of rectangles. Please be reminded that the formula is different from the number of squares. For demonstration purposes, I will be using the English alphabet. Here's the formula in finding the number of rectangles. The key here is the number of columns and the number of rows. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.